Hello everyone, welcome back my dear students of class 5th in your St. Mary's YouTube video channel in your computer class. Hope you all are keeping well at home. So dear students, today we are going to start our next chapter, lesson number 4, that is Know More About MS Words 2007. Okay. So for this you may open your page number 32 in your book. And here in this chapter we will overcome with the topics. First of all, definition of desktop background and screensaver. Okay, we will know about the desktop and the screensaver. Then secondly, changing desktop background, screensaver and Windows color. Adding gadgets on desktop, using control panel and opening it. Then fifth one, recording, saving and playing sound using sound recorder, and the last one, opening and playing games in Windows 7. Okay, so let's have a look. So first of all, it's the introduction. So what is the name of our chapter? Know more about MS Windows 7. What is the full form of MS? Send me in the comment section, beta. Yes, so MS means Microsoft Windows 7. So what is it? So it is an operating system. So now the question comes in the mind, what is the operating system? That acts as an interface between the computer hardware and the user. That is the operating system. Okay. Then it also manages the resources of the computer system and does many other things. And in our previous classes, we have learned that how to do different tasks in Windows, different operations on files and folders have also been performed. So different applications like Paint, MS Word, etc. have also been introduced to you. Now what we have to see? We have to learn something more in Windows 7, okay? As it is an operating system, so it is very important to know about it. So the next one is our desktop background. So what is the meaning of background? Yes, that is the screen that appears when we switch on the computer. Understood? So here also it is written, Windows desktop is the screen that appears when you switch on the computer. Desktop is the Windows operating system. It is the main screen in the window. Okay, this is the main screen. As soon as we switch on the system, it appears. Shortcut icons for a program can be placed here, which take us directly to that program. We can also add a picture on the desktop to be displayed on the full screen. Okay, for example, scenery, patterns or your own photos also you can put there. Okay, to enhance the beauty of the screen, this picture is also called the wallpaper. Now have you understood what is the wallpaper? Whatever we are putting on our desktop background, that is the wallpaper. Got it? Yes. So all icons are actually present on the foreground of the desktop background, which is colorful picture or a simple single color screen. Got it? Yes. So now next one is changing the desktop background. Okay, so daily we are using our computer system or the laptops, whatever. So how to change the desktop background? Suppose you want to put your photo, okay, or some other things. So what are the steps or what is the procedure to change the desktop background? Okay, that we will see here. So see beta, here steps are given. First one is, right click at an empty area on the desktop and click the personalize option. So first of all we have to select the personalize option. Then secondly it is given here, click the desktop background option. So what will happen on clicking this? You get a new window. Okay. Then followed by this, the third step is to select any option from picture location. For example, Windows desktop groups. Okay, you can see from here, and here are the location. The next fourth one, choose the picture of your choice, whatever you want. You can adjust the position of your picture using picture position option. Then at last, click the Save Changes button. Got it? So these are the simple steps to change the background of your screen. So first of all, what you have to do? Right click at any empty area and click the personalize option. Then secondly, click the desktop background options. Then third, select any option. Fourth one, choose the picture of your choice, and at the finally what you have to do, click the Save Changes button. Okay. So the desktop background of your computer changes according to the selected option. Now the next one, screensaver. You can turn on your page, on page number 34, and this is screensaver. Now the question comes in the mind, what is screensaver? Okay, let me explain you. Whenever we are doing some work on the computer and suddenly some emergency we are having, okay, somebody called us or any order or whatever, we have to go. So at that time, some moving pictures of or graphic appear on the screen. So that only known as the screensaver. Okay, got it? So when computers are not in use and left idle for a certain time, means no work is done on the computer and it is switch on as it is. So all the pictures came or appear on the screen, that is known as the screensavers. As soon as mouse is used or key is pressed on keyboard, the desktop appears once again it will appear when we will do some activity on the computer. Even a single activity will take us to the to our desktop back. Okay, again we will be able to see it. Then a screensaver is a program that displays moving pictures or graphics on the computer system. It starts when the computer system is left idle for some time without performing any operation. That I told you. Okay. So the next one is changing the screensaver. Okay. So now this thing is clear. What is a screensaver? Now if you want to change it, so what we have to do? See, steps are given here. You can see. Yes. So the following steps are taken in order to change the screensaver. So what are the steps? Let's see them one by one. So first of all, right click at any empty area on the desktop and click the personalize option. Same as we are changing the desktop background. The first step is same. You can see here. Okay, beta? I will show you. In this way, it will be visible on the screen. So first of all, personalize option you have to select. Okay. Then secondly, what you have to do, click the screensaver. Means screensaver option, a new window will appear. So this is the second one. Then next, select any screensaver from the screensaver list box. If you want to see the preview of the selected screensaver on the computer screen, just click on the preview button. Very simple it is, step by step you can do, so it will be very simple. Practically also you can do it. Okay. Then step 4, to select the idle time of computer after which the screensaver starts, set the number of minutes in the wait box. Wait box you will see here, as you can see in your book also, beta. So here you have to put the number of minutes. Then click the apply button and finally OK button. Got it? Very simple. So what will happen? The screensaver of your computer changes according to the selected options. Got it? And the screensaver starts when the system remain idle for the number of minutes specified in the wait box. Whatever you have put there in the minute session, that will appear accordingly. Okay. So this is the topic, screensaver. Okay. Now the second one is window color. So the color of window border changes because of the window color option. Okay, if you want to change anything, then you have to go to the Windows option. So the following steps should be taken to change the Windows color. Let's see them also. Yes, so first step, right click at any empty area on the desktop and click the personalize option. Same thing for all. If you want to make any changes, if you want to make any type of changes on the background on the desktop, so first of all we have to go on the personalize option. So the same thing we are doing here. First of all, right click at any empty area on the desktop and click the personalize option. Then second one is click the window color option. As we have to change the color of our window, so the same option we have to choose. Then select your favorite color, whatever you want, okay, red, blue, green, silver, golden, whatever. Then fourth one, click the save changes button. Finally you have to click on the save changes button. So all these are the small steps or very simple steps to change the window color. So the window color of your computer changes according to the selected option. Got it? Yes. So this you can practice at your home also. Then these are the topics. Our next topic is gadgets. Come on page number 36. So what are the gadgets? First of all, I will give you some examples, then you will know what are gadgets. So example, calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, all these are the gadgets. The mini programs that provide information at a glance and easy access to frequency used tools are known as the gadgets. And the examples I have given you, so the free headlines, pictures, puzzles, slideshow or weather window, media center are the Windows 7 gadgets. Okay. So if you want some other gadgets other than these, by default these are present on the desktop, but if you want to add some more things, then what you have to do, the following steps are taken in order to add the gadgets on your desktop. So first of all, what you have to do is right click at any empty area on the desktop and click the gadgets option. Then the gadgets window appears. Secondly, double click at the gadgets you want to place on your desktop. The gadgets get placed on the right side of the desktop, as you can see on in the book also. This is the second step. Then all these are the steps to change the gadgets of the desktop. Got it? So that's all for today. So what you have to do, you have to revise and read out the chapter once again. Got it? Till then, take care.